Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a gaming performance test of the Honor 400 Pro smartphone by playing few of the most high-end heavy graphics game on the highest possible graphics setting. We will also monitor the battery performance and whether we are going to face any heating issue or not. So here we go. So these are the games we got today here on our Honor 400 Pro. For this testing purpose, we have set the screen refresh rate to high, that is 120 Hz. Right now the battery percentage is 74 and we will use the performance mode to play all of these games. So first of all, let's start with Call of Duty Mobile. So as you can see here in the graphics setting of Call of Duty Mobile, by default very high graphics is selected. With max frame rate I can select ultra frame rate, but then the graphics quality is moving to medium, that is the 120 fps setting. But if I go to very high or even max, then I can play the game on max fps. So let's play the game on max graphics with max frame rate and let's see how good it's going to be. Here in the game manager widget you can see I have selected the game mode to get the best performance while playing these games, but for some reason the game manager on Honor 400 Pro is not displaying the FPS here like in rest of the Honor smartphones. So we will have to rely on our eyes to play all of these games, but let's see how good it's going to be. And here in the download manager of the game you can see we have downloaded the HD resource pack to get the best graphics quality while playing Call of Duty Mobile on Honor 400 Pro. So the graphics quality is really impressive. As you can see, we are getting great amount of details. If you have a look on the gun, you can see how much detail we are getting on the gloves and then these gadgets here. Really impressive.
Target's in sight. The enemy is jamming our radar. Hostiles jamming our radar.
So the speaker quality is really good. Lots of bass we are getting here. So you will enjoy playing games on this device for sure.
Hostile sentry gun in your AO. The enemy is jamming our radar. Tango down. UAV recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. Heads up. Enemy lightning strike incoming. Enemy sentry gun has been destroyed. Be advised, hostile sentry gun spotted. Heads up. Enemy lightning strike incoming. Counter UAV is up. Work. UAV online.
So there is no frame drop or lagging is happening so far. Everything is nice and smooth.
Enemy down. Hostiles jamming our radar. The enemy is jamming our radar. Hostile sentry gun in your AO. Our sentry gun has been destroyed. Enemy contact. Heads up. Enemy lightning strike incoming. Be advised, hostile sentry gun spotted. Bring it up, squad. Enemy contact. Down. Enemy UAV spotted. Enemy Shock RC is coming.
So everything was nice and smooth. While playing Call of Duty Mobile on Honor 400 Pro. No frame drops, no lagging. We were getting 60 FPS at least, and the graphics quality was brilliant. Now let's play Asphalt Legends Unite. So the graphics quality is impressive. If you have a look on the ground, you can see the level of details we are getting, the cracks and everything, the texture, so good. So everything was nice and smooth while playing Asphalt Legends Unite on Honor 400 Pro, no frame drop, no lagging, and we were getting 60 FPS for sure with great graphics quality. Now let's play Diablo Immortal. So here in the graphics setting of Diablo Immortal, you can see by default high graphics with 30 FPS is selected. Ultra graphics is not available, so I can select 60 FPS with high graphics. So this is what I'm going to use to play the game. And let's see how good it's going to be. So the graphics quality is really good and we are getting 60 FPS for sure because the gameplay is pretty smooth. And here we go. So if you are a player of this game, you should be getting the idea about the gaming capability of the device, that how good the gameplay is going to be. As you can see, it's pretty smooth, graphics quality is brilliant, no frame drop or lagging is happening. So as you can see, I'm not so good when it comes to Diablo Immortal, so I'm just going to leave it here. And now let's play PUBG Mobile. So here in the graphics setting of PUBG Mobile, you can see by default balanced is selected. But if I go to customize, you can see HD graphics with high frame rate is there. I can select HDR, I can select Ultra HDR, but if I'm going to Ultra HDR, then extreme frame rate option is getting disabled. If I'm going to smooth, then extreme plus and ultra extreme frame rate option is getting enabled as well. So that is the 120 FPS mode. But if I play the game on ultra HDR, then it is 60 FPS. So let's play the game on ultra HDR with ultra frame rate and let's see how good it's going to be. After that, I will also play it a bit on 120 FPS just to see whether we are going to get better frame rate and smoothness in the gameplay. So the graphics quality is really good. Once again, if you have a look on the ground, you can see the amount of detail. And
my last match.
Here, if you have a look on the costume of the character, you can see reflection of the light from the shoulder pad, from the vest. It's looking pretty impressive. So it's pretty smooth. We are getting at least 60 FPS here for sure on ultra graphics and ultra frame rate. So once again, if you have a look on the ground, you can see the sharpness, the amount of details and the texture we are getting. It's looking really good. So as you can see, no frame drops or lagging is happening. Everything is nice and smooth. While playing PUBG Mobile on Honor 400 Pro, and we are getting 60 FPS at least for sure. As you can see, the gameplay is very smooth with great graphics quality we are getting here. So as you can see, not much action is happening right now. But if you are a PUBG player, you should be getting the idea about the gaming capability of the device. It's pretty powerful smartphone, and as you can see, it can run the PUBG Mobile on Ultra HDR with ultra frame rate with 60 FPS easily. So I'm just going to leave it here, close the game and switch to the smooth graphics with extreme plus plus or whatever it was, the FPS setting, and then we will see whether we are going to get up to 120 FPS or not. But right now it's looking pretty solid for sure. So now I have selected smooth graphics with ultra extreme frame rate, and let's see how smooth the gameplay is going to be. So now if you have a look on the ground, you can see the graphics quality is reduced a lot. We are not getting the same reflection from the costume of the character. The texture and everything is gone, but gameplay is very smooth. So we are getting 120 FPS for sure here. As you can see how smooth it is. So I'm just going to leave it here. You should be getting the idea about the gaming capability of the device. Now talking about the battery performance. After playing all of these games for 35 minutes, the battery percentage moved from 74 to 66. So 8% reduction. So we can assume like in 60 minutes, it will be around 13-14%. And considering that, you can assume that you will get around 6 hours of high-end heavy graphics gaming on Honor 400 Pro. So it's not that great, but it's not that bad as well. But the best part is that the device is not even slightly warm after 35 minutes of continuous high-end gaming on this device. Totally at the normal temperature, exactly at which we have started playing all of these games. So that's quite impressive. This is one of the reasons that we didn't see any fluctuation in FPS while playing all of these games on our Honor 400 Pro. So if you are a gamer, you will be happy with the performance of the device for sure. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you find it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.